Is BeeMedix Bee Venom Cream really the miracle solution it claims to be, or just another cleverly marketed scam preying on desperate customers? With promises ranging from joint pain relief and reduced inflammation to healing acne, boosting collagen, and even reversing visible signs of aging, it almost sounds like a magical potion, but is it even scientifically possible for one cream to do all that? That's where things start to look suspicious. First, there's no real clinical evidence shared on their website or packaging to back any of these medical or cosmetic claims. A product that's supposed to treat arthritis, fine lines, acne, and inflammation all at once raises a huge red flag. Then there are the marketing tricks, low stock warnings, limited time discounts, and urgent banners designed to make you act fast without thinking. These are classic manipulation tactics used by questionable sellers. The before and after photos are another issue. They appear too polished and inconsistent, with some users pointing out that they look altered or even AI generated. And while reading through the reviews, you'll notice an overwhelming flood of 5-star ratings that sound repetitive and generic, with barely any mention of side effects or mixed experiences, which is rare for any product that actually sells widely. On the surface, BeeMedix Bee Venom Cream might look like a breakthrough skincare and pain relief product, but once you scratch past the surface, it's hard to ignore the signs that this could be more about hype than real healing. If you're thinking about trying it, make sure you question everything and don't let flashy promises blind you to the truth.